In the heart of northern Minnesota, in the chilling month of October 1918, a cataclysmic event unfolded. Minnesota's deadliest disaster. The Cloquet Fire, an immense forest inferno, roared to life. It was a disaster that would go down in history as one of the most terrifying and devastating events to ever strike the land of 10,000 lakes. Sparks from local railroads ignited this relentless inferno, a fiery juggernaut of destruction fueled by the bone-dry conditions of the wilderness. This wasn't just any fire. This was an apocalypse in the making. Moose Lake, Cloquet, Kettle River, once thriving communities, now reduced to ashes by Minnesota's deadliest disaster. Cloquet bore the brunt of this merciless blaze, enduring the wrath of a firestorm, unlike anything the North had ever seen. This wasn't just a tragedy, it was a catastrophe. In a single horrifying day, the Cloquet Fire became the third deadliest wildfire ever recorded, only eclipsed by the infamous Peshtigo Fire of 1871 and another devastating blaze in Kershaw in 1936. The numbers are staggering. 453 lives tragically lost, 52,000 souls injured or displaced, 38 communities obliterated, and a mind-boggling 250,000 acres of land scorched. The property damage soared to $73 million, equivalent to a jaw-dropping $1.42 billion in today's currency. The scale of destruction was unimaginable, truly Minnesota's deadliest disaster. But amidst the devastation, there was resilience. The spirit of Minnesota persevered. Over $13 million in federal aid poured in, and the healing began. Today, we remember this harrowing chapter in history, a testament to the power of communities coming together in the face of Minnesota's deadliest disaster, an epic story of survival, courage, and the indomitable human spirit. Never forget the Cloquet Fire of 1918, Minnesota's deadliest disaster, a story etched in the annals of time. Follow for more harrowing stories and subscribe to Deadly Local Disasters.